Welcome! Today we're making a delicious no-churn mint chocolate ice cream that's rich, creamy, and packed with minty chocolate goodness. This easy recipe doesn't require an ice cream maker, so you can enjoy homemade ice cream with minimal effort. Let's dive in and get started. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, which will give our ice cream its rich, creamy texture. For sweetness and creaminess, we'll use 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk and half a cup of whole milk. To add flavor, you'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, which gives that refreshing minty taste. If you'd like a hint of color, add a few drops of green food coloring. Finally, we're adding half a cup of mini chocolate chips or chopped dark chocolate for that delicious chocolatey crunch. That's everything we need to make a fantastic no-churn mint chocolate ice cream. Start by preparing the base for our ice cream. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of heavy cream with 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. This mixture will be the foundation of our ice cream. The heavy cream provides the rich, creamy texture, while the sweetened condensed milk adds sweetness and creaminess. Whisk these 2 ingredients together until they're fully combined and smooth. Make sure there are no lumps, and the mixture should be well blended. This is crucial for a creamy, smooth ice cream. Once done, set the bowl aside, and we'll move on to the next step. Now we'll add flavor to our ice cream base. Into the same bowl, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will enhance the overall flavor profile with a touch of warmth and sweetness. Next, add 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. This is where the minty flavor comes from, so you can adjust the amount if you like a stronger mint taste. If you want to give your ice cream a fun green color, add a few drops of green food coloring. Start with just a drop or 2 and mix well, then adjust until you achieve your desired shade. Stir everything together until the extracts and color are evenly distributed. Moving on, it's time to whip the cream. In a separate bowl, use an electric mixer to whip 1 cup of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. This means the cream should be thick and hold its shape when you lift the beaters. Whipping the cream incorporates air, making the ice cream light and fluffy. Be careful not to overwhip, or the cream might turn into butter. Once the cream is whipped, gently fold it into the sweetened condensed milk mixture. Use a spatula and fold in a circular motion to combine the 2 mixtures without deflating the whipped cream. This step is important for achieving a light, creamy texture. Now it's time to mix in the chocolate. Take half a cup of mini chocolate chips or chopped dark chocolate and gently fold them into the ice cream base. The chocolate adds a delightful crunch and rich flavor. Make sure the chocolate pieces are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. You can also swirl in some chocolate sauce if you want extra chocolatey goodness. Just fold it in gently to create ribbons of chocolate throughout the ice cream. Once everything is well mixed, you're ready to move on to freezing. Transfer the ice cream mixture into an airtight container. Smooth the top with a spatula to ensure an even surface. Cover the container with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place the container in the freezer and let it freeze for at least 4 hours or until it's firm. If the ice cream is too hard to scoop, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before serving. This will make it easier to scoop and enjoy. Now that you've made your mint chocolate ice cream, you can look forward to a delicious homemade treat. And lastly, when making your mint chocolate ice cream, here are a few tips to ensure the best results. First, chill your mixing bowl and beaters before whipping the cream. This helps the cream whip up faster and better. For the mint flavor, start with 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract and taste the mixture. You can add more if you like a stronger mint flavor, but be careful as peppermint can be quite potent. If you want extra chocolatey goodness, consider swirling in some chocolate sauce along with the chocolate chips. And finally, use high-quality vanilla and peppermint extracts, as the flavor of your ice cream will be influenced by these ingredients. Enjoy making your delicious homemade mint chocolate ice cream.